The fourth unit talks about emotional intelligence. Well, our brain has two sections. First is the cognitive section, through which we make rational decisions. Well, the other one is the affective section, through which we make emotional decisions. Emotional intelligence caters to the affective portion of the human brain. Now, the cognitive portion can help in the development of IQ, whereas the affective portion helps in the development of EQ. And in a civil servant, both IQ as well as EQ are desired. What is this emotional intelligence? Well, it is the ability to understand and perceive emotions, evaluate those emotions, control the emotions, and use the emotions in making better decisions. Peter Salovey and John D. Mayer have introduced the concept of emotional intelligence in 1990 as a subpart of their overall social intelligence. And since then, emotional intelligence have become a very desirable character trait in the public servants. So this fourth unit deals with the importance of emotional intelligence. Remember, emotional intelligence is the ability to understand your own emotions and the emotion of others. Think about a civil servant who is engaged in some welfare schemes. If he understands the emotional structure of the people who are the beneficiaries under that scheme, he would be able to perform his task in a better manner. And that's why emotional intelligence becomes crucial for a civil servant. The next topic is the moral thinkers. Let's understand that as well.